first update of my final Week project. Me and my partner are working on a cooking game called Rahim's Big Fries. All the purple classes here are the ones I'll be working on. Menu class is the base class for main menu and course menu, which will be displaying the menus on the screen. For this, I'm currently working on word, character, L texture, and button class, which will be rendering the text on the screen. Other than that, I'll be working on potato and stove class, where potato class keeps all the information regarding potatoes, that is number of raw potatoes, cooked, peeled, and cut potatoes, while the stove class keeps the information regarding the current state of the stove, that is on and off, and keeps the timer while the stove is turned on. These four classes are the ones I have worked so far: word, texture, button, and character class, and I was able to render this text on the screen.
Hi, my name is Wahaj Ahmad. This is the first project progress video for the course Object-Oriented Programming and Design Methodologies. Together with my partner, we are working on a cooking game named Rahim's Big Chips. And so far, my work has been on this template Q and this template Node. Let's go to my code here. As you can see in the header file, I have defined 10 methods for the template Q. We have a constructor, a destructor, then we have a function enqueue, which basically adds the element at the very end of the list. Then we have a function enqueue@, which takes in another parameter of the index. This adds the element at a specific index according to this parameter. Then we have a function dequeue, which removes the very first element of the list. Then we have dequeue_this, which takes in the parameter pointer towards the element. It basically iterates over the complete list and matches this parameter with the data of the list, and once it's matched, it removes that node only. Then we have dequeue@, which basically takes in index and removes that particular node. Then we have a function length. This returns the length of the list. Is empty tells us whether the list is empty or not. It returns a bool value. And then we have function display, which basically displays all the elements of the list. This is our driver function. Here we have defined our queue as we have a character data type. We could have passed any data type here. Since it's a template, it will work for everything, but to show the functionality of this queue, we have used a character data type. Let's see how this works. So as we can see, here in the very beginning we check if our queue is empty or not, and then we display this q1 is empty. As you can see, since our list is empty, q1 is empty is displayed. Then we add these three characters into our list using enqueue, and since this function works, and these three lines are printed. Then we use the function q1.display to display the three elements, and as we can see, 1, 2, and c are the three elements in the list right now, and the length is 3. Then we use the function enqueue@ to enqueue ptra at the second index. When we display that, as we can see that 1 has been added to the second place. ptra is basically pointing towards a, which has 1, so that is why the second place has 1 now. The length has become 4. Then we start dequeuing elements. At first we use a function dequeue only, and as we can see, the very first element of the list will be dequeued. That is why dequeued element number 1 is 1, since this is the first element of our list. Then we use the function dequeue_this, and we pass in a parameter ptrc. Now this iterates the complete list and finds where ptrc, which node has ptrc. Once it does that, since ptrc points toward c, this function finds the node where c is and dequeues that. So we can see that the dequeued element is c now. Then we are displaying the rest of the list and the length, and we can see that since 1 and c have been dequeued, only 1 and 2 are left. The length has become 2, and then our destructors are called. All the nodes are deallocated, and this is how our queue template is working. Thank you.